Hey everybody, I'm Levi, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about trimming your mustache. Today is October 5th, and we are about 1 month away from the National Beard and Mustache Competitions on November 12th in Casper, Wyoming, and this is going to be the last major trim I do before competitions. Everybody has a side of their mustache that will probably grow a little bit quicker than the other. For me, it's the left side. The left side always has a couple of hairs that grow at a quicker speed than the right side of my mustache. So I want to take that into account when I trim. I'm going to be trimming a little bit more off of the left side of my mustache, a little bit less off the right side. Come on over here. Today, as you can see, I've styled a English style mustache. The great thing about the English style is you can hold a ruler up to see which side of your mustache has grown at a quicker speed. So we're looking at about 4 3/4 on the left side and just about 4 on the right side. Now I'm going to grab my trusty scissors here. I'm going to find where my hairs get down to about 2 or 3 hairs. And we're going to cut that off. Then I'm going to come back to the other side. We're going to get it as even as possible. And there you have it. So as you can see here, I took off about 3/4 of an inch on my left side and about 1/4 to 1/2 inch on the right side. Now that I've completed that, I'm gonna go ahead and take those extensions and I'm gonna save them for when I compete at nationals. This way I'll be able to have more of a chance against some of the major competitors such as Bob and Elliot, his mustache, Q Stachio, Josiah, some of the new competitors that are going to be there this year. I'm really going to need these extensions to give my mustache a little bit more fullness, a little bit more length, and really make sure I take that first place this year. All right guys, we'll see you at nationals.